Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here my Bedford CF Arctic trailer. All aluminium, built by Lintons back in the 80s. Very, very lightweight. I mean, incredibly lightweight. This was moved with a standard fifth wheel. Like a recovery firm had the fifth wheel dolly and moved this for us. And as you can see, this side's very clean. Okay, the stickers do come off with sticker off. We've got some amazing stuff to get rid of stickers, to put it mildly. Got power sockets in here. Okay, you can see it's all aluminium. So I say very, very lightweight. British type of fifth wheel. And as you can see here, these are the wind down legs. Got the handbrake here. Okay, so cracking bit of kit. Did a lot of shows with this back in the 90s. More power sockets here. We've got 240 and 110 on it. Okay, it's also got 12 volt lighting. One's a power out, I believe, for the penthouse, which the other side has actually got an awning rail on it, because we used to have a massive awning on this thing. Now you can see this is hinged here. This is because this whole piece from here to here opens right out. So it means you can get the full width of this in, whereas normally it'd only be the width of the roller shutter. So very clever whoever designed it. You can also see these are various things for hooking stuff on. We've used it, shows. These are for our uprights, posts and stuff, but all this all opens completely. So the whole thing is from here right to here wide. And all the lights obviously go out as well. Now, pull out step. You can see the pull out step. These are damn good clean because it's been up my mate's farm for the last couple of months. Awning rail, like I say, we've got a Trio King, massive awning that goes on here. Okay, so this awning completely covers it. So if you want a motorhome with a difference, fifth wheel motorhome, this really could be your cup of tea. The pickup here, to give you an example, this is my Bedford CF, had a Rover V8 in it. As you can see, not a bad nick considering it's 1982. This will be refurbished. As you can see, it's all beefed up. Linton's had special axles. Now, the amazing thing is these tyres are actually 20, 30 years old, but they're still up. Never been blown up at all. Modern tyres, a load of crap. You can see here, this tyre's flat already. It's only been up a couple of months. Okay, like I say, Rover V8 fitted in this, or it's not in at the moment, but it will be. And cracking bit of kit. If you're interested in this truck or this combination, it will be MOT exempt in 2022 and also road tax free. So if you want something really cool that you can drive around the country and turn into a mega motorhome, give us a call. 01773835566, alternatively 07831383534. Thank you.